Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to export bookmark from DuckDuckGo app on Android device. Well, knowing how to export bookmarks from DuckDuckGo is valuable for users who want to back up their bookmarks or migrate them to another browser or device. So by exporting bookmarks, you can preserve your curated collection of said websites and easily transfer them to a new browser or device. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open DuckDuckGo on your device. Well, after that, click the three dots here and then you can select bookmark option. Well, so in this page, you can click the three dots and then click export option. Well, so here you can select the folder and then click save here. Okay, so now your bookmark is successfully exported. Well, that's the tutorial on how to export bookmark from DuckDuckGo app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.